We glad to introduce you a SCOTT Speedster 50 2019 model year. The bike is equipped with a Speedster frame, and reliable fork Speedster alloy Shimano Rodeo 7014 4-speed high-quality transmission makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes set up on the bike such as Tektro BR-31539-51mm. SCOTT Speedster 50 2019 year is a good option for skiing on both country roads and city streets. This model is equipped with good tires Schwalbe Lugano700x28C. This is a good option in the ratio of price quality. Drive and pleasure.